Riya, are you awake?
Yes, Mom. I woke up a few minutes ago.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Why are you still lying in bed?
I am feeling a little lazy today.
Come on. It's already morning.
Okay, Mom. I am getting up now.
Please open the window.
Sure. I am opening it.
Look outside. The weather is so nice.
Yes, the air feels fresh.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I am going to the bathroom now.
Don't forget to wash your face.
I won't forget.
Are you using cold water?
Yes, I am.
Good. It will help you feel fresh.
I already feel better.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What would you like for breakfast?
I would like some bread and milk.
That sounds good.
Can I help you in the kitchen?
Yes. Please bring the plates.
Here they are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you also bring 2 glasses?
Yes. I am bringing them.
Everything is ready now.
The breakfast looks delicious.
Sit down and eat.
Okay.
Is the milk too hot?
No, it's perfect.
Eat slowly.
I will.
Don't use your phone while eating.
Don't worry. My phone is in my room.
That's a good habit.
I want to spend less time on my phone.
I am happy to hear that.
I want to use my time wisely.
That's the right attitude.
Mom, what are your plans today?
I have to clean the house and do some shopping.
Can I come with you?
Yes, but first finish your breakfast.
I am almost done.
Good. After breakfast, get ready quickly.
Okay, Mom. I will be ready in 10 minutes.
Great. Then we will go together.
I am excited.
Me too.